The amazing Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is one of the most incredible places on Earth. Let's explore this huge, sandy wonderland. Big and sandy, the Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. It's so big that it covers parts of 11 countries in Africa. Hot, hot, hot. The Sahara is very hot during the day, with temperatures that can go above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, it can get quite cold. Sandy waves. The desert is full of sand dunes. Some of these dunes can be as tall as buildings. Desert animals. Even though it's hot and dry, many animals live in the Sahara. You can find camels, foxes, and lizards, all adapted to survive in the harsh conditions. Oasis. In some parts of the Sahara, there are oases. These are places where water is found, and they are like little green islands in the sea of sand. Nomadic people, some people called nomads, live in the Sahara. They move from place to place with their animals, looking for food and water. Starry night. The Sahara has some of the clearest skies in the world. At night, you can see thousands of stars shining brightly. The Sahara Desert is a place of extreme beauty and mystery. It shows us how life can thrive even in the toughest conditions.